Hey everybody, it's Sid here. Welcome back to another Animal Jam video. It has come to my attention that I still have my fall-ish icon. I say fall-ish because it was the closest I could get to a non-Halloween fall thing. I did change it to Jamaalidays, but much like fall, I don't have a lot of Jamaliday themed badges because they're all like Halloween. I guess I can do like green. Is there a better one? It's probably the best one. Yeah, it's definitely the best one. I guess that. Sure. Wait, does it change? Oh, it does change for different things. I did not know that. I did not know that. This one be good for like a Jamaliday night. That one's probably still the best. And then I could... Golden, nah. I don't know. I think that just might be the best. There we go. Anyways. Got a new den item during my daily spin. It's really exciting. Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? Do you want to see my... Do you want to see my epic item I got? Are you ready? It's a winged lamp. Everyone's dream. Yay. I got new presents. Vivian M, 42, you're awesome. Oh my god, you're awesome. Okay. Thank you. I am very excited to open it. So next order of business is Sunday. I say technically because one, I'm uploading it on Sunday, and two, it's Sunday in the game. But I'm recording it on Saturday. Oh. Okay, so we have a Jamaaliday hairdo. Very interesting. Looks like a Christmas tree. That's probably the point, Sid. Okay. And then we have our advent calendar. I did not go here. Christmas Lover 2341. Well, do I have an Animal Jam holiday for you? Alright, time to look at the calendar. Consecutive login. I remember on the old classic calendars, day 8 was always like this sparkly one. So I want to see what day 8 is. Ooh, pretty. Fire pit and 250 gems. Nice. So, oh, yes, binoculars. It's come to my attention that the binoculars are not stationary. They spawn. Okay, snowy owl. Okay, this is going to be hard. I might not be able to talk too much. That was not a snowy owl. It's not an owl. Why is everyone going fast? What's going on? Hi, Raven. I have 2 chances. Oh my goodness. Why are you all so fast? There. Picture. Oh my goodness. Red crafting crystal. I'm gonna reroll. Molted down. Yay. They look very soft. Like a duck down, I guess. Or like an eider down. I know that's pretty soft down. That's like really soft. Like, it was like really fluffy quill blankets. They're probably made of eider down. So I'm gonna guess it's that or just some other kind of like duck or goose down. It kind of looks like that. I'm not sure. So yeah, I was actually about to say that the bird watching, I figured it out. It was not in fact glitched. It just pops up every once in a while. I got the wrong info. So apparently the down is used to craft like bird items, but the problem is I've not gotten any of said bird item blueprints. So that's gonna be complicated. Hello? Any binoculars? No. Alright, I was just there. We're going to Kimbara. Family of porcupines is called a prickle. That is the cutest thing ever. I love porcupines. Nothing here. Zios, please, please, please. It's really funny because when one of them spawns, you hear this like clunk noise, and for some reason, it reminds me of the falling anvil noise in Minecraft. Don't ask me why. I'm weird, okay? That or the metal falling pipe. Mostly the falling anvil, though. Honestly, I feel like the falling anvil noise walked. Oh, there it is. So that the metal pipe noise can run. Raven. So they have really. There was just one there. Okay, that didn't count. Raven, 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 Raven. Yes! Okay, anyways. The falling anvil sound walked. Yay, more down. So that the metal falling pipe could run. Or maybe the other way around, because honestly, I feel like the anvil one's still the more popular one. Even though, like, the metal pipe one is being used a lot. People still recognize the anvil noise. Any falling anvils? Any anvils? No anvils here. Okay, bye. Mesoterra. Please. Please have an anvil. It's still really weird being able to go in Dino Land as, like, a modern animal from the Cenozoic. Any falling anvils? No. Okay. Coral canyons. Okay, I just realized I have a sound on like very faint, but it's not faint enough to hear. It's not faint enough to hear any falling anvils, sadly. So, lots of fossils. Fossils were so 2021. We're here for binoculars that just fall out of the sky. Oh my god, that's the one that I was looking for in the last video, this spawn. Raven again. Yes! Okay. So. Yeah, so fossils are so 2021. Nowadays, we have binoculars just materializing out of the sky like a falling anvil. Oh my goodness. Pine cones. Where are the pine cones coming? It's the armor effect, I think. Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay. Okay, more anvils. One more anvil. One more anvil, and then we will end. Just one more anvil. One more anvil, it's all I ask. And then I will be done, because it's dragging on a bit. Zios, please, please, please. I need the anvil so I can get some recipes so I can use my eider down to make wings, I think. Or is that Red Bull I need? Because Red Bull gives you wings. Oh my goodness. Me trying to... Anvil! Anvil! Snowy owl again. It's great. I think that was a snowy owl. No? Really? Oh, probably just a random ghost. I've not gotten ghost yet. Oh, that's a dove. And someone traded me as soon as I got it. No eider downs for me. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this little... I'm busy. I will look at your trade when I'm done recording. Okay, actually, if they offer again, I'll take a look. Oh, no, not the sad emoji. No, I didn't mean to make you sad. Okay, I need to hide. Okay, now I feel really bad. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. And I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.